I am getting ready to do a comparison. Okay, so I have a Shark Air Wrap, I think that's what it's called, and I also got the TikTok dupe. So oh, my earring. I am going to do one side of my head with the Shark and the other side with the dupe. So this is the Shark that I've had for probably about 4 or 5 months, maybe 6. So it comes with the 2 Air Wrap curlers, a big round brush, and this is like their version of like a flat brush. The dupe also comes with the hot Air Wrap curlers. I like that it has a smaller round brush and this flat brush. This is also for like blow drying your hair with just air. I will probably use this just to get my hair dry like 70%, and then I would either go into the round brush or the flat brush. Olaplex Volumizing Drying Mist, and I usually would use this if I'm going to round brush my hair. I'm not using the round brush on either blow dryer, but I still want to add a little bit just for, because I like big hair, I like volume. So we're going to do that. And then I'm going to add a little heat protectant. And I'm going to try to part my hair evenly down the middle. It's going to be hard to put some up because my hair is short now. I don't really have any hair, so I'm going to try my best. And I'm going to start with the dupe because I know that the Shark dryer is powerful. So this is the side I'm going to start with. I don't have a little kid. And we are going to undo. Right off bat, the dupe is a lot lighter. That Shark blow dryer, oh my gosh. Like, you get your money. I mean, you're gonna use your muscles. So actually I am going to start with just a little bit because I don't like blow drying my hair when it's like wet. I like it to be semi-dry. Push down the orbit slot to pull it off. I'm just a girl. I don't know what I'm doing, but yeah. So I'm gonna just blow dry a little bit just to get some of the water out of my hair. And to turn it on, it's down here. So this is with the dupe. My hair is sneaky. Like, you will think that it's dry, and then on the scalp it'd be like, oh, no. So it feels like it's dry, so I am going to press down, detach, and then we're going to go to the Shark. I'm going to use a different ponytail holder. Now the Shark has different settings. You have a cool shot. The fan can go on low, medium, and high. And then these are your temperatures. Whereas the dupe, you just have 3 different temperature settings, but you can't control the speed of the fan. So this is on low. And this is high. And when you go low, this goes behind me even. Now I'm going to attach Shark's version of that flat brush. And this is when I turn it back straight because it's kind of odd from that angle. So I'm going to turn it on and plug it in. The bristles on this brush
Hey, truck to the plane, to the truck to the hotel lobby. Me, I go through underground garages, presidential suite on deposit, elevator up to the room, shower up and then we hit the club. Touchdown, gotta see what's up. Area code in my phone. What numbers do I still have? Who do I know from the...
Okay, as you can see, my hand was getting a little tired, like cramping up because of the blow dryer. It is kind of heavy, and then when you're adding the attachments, it's also adding weight, whereas that dupe is a lot lighter. But let's get into the blow dry. So first, well, I did have this in a ponytail as well, but the shark, I feel, has my hair a little more shinier, and it got it straighter. And I did have this in a ponytail. I probably shouldn't have done it because it made that bend. But the shark side is just a smidget straighter. But I do see the difference in the shine. And also, though, it could be because I've used it before and it has some of my hair oils already in it. Whereas the new one, completely new, dry, you know. So other than that, not too much of a difference. So now we're going to use the air wrap to curl it. So since I already have the shark plugged in, we're going to use the shark first. So you can see this tells you the directions. So, oh, it also has at the top left and right. So we're going to put the left in, turn it on, and I'm just going to show you like how it just grabs the hair. And then you can put a cold sack to set the curl.
Hit one, she say she got a man. Hit another one, it goes green. Must have changed foes on the team. Remember when you let me in between? That was 2017. All good, chug a look around. Find one that seemed my type. Damn, my dog and he know what I like. He done found me plenty in my life. Problem is I meet a girl tonight, then I go and treat her too nice. Galleria credit card swipes. I don't even know if she a wife, but I do know one thing though. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday through Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
2:30, baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Too early, maybe later, you could show me things. You know what it is whenever I visit. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
Jury in the safe on arrival, pistol on Jay for survival. A lot of people gunning for the title, a lot of people trying to take us viral. I'm just trying to have a nice night though. Waiter brought a check for the meal. She said, babe, I think that was a typo. Nah, girl, I got it, that's light though. I can show you bigger things than that. It's gonna be a minute till I'm back. Let me get you images that last. Amex had a limit in the past. I had plenty women in the past. I done plenty.
You see why I love this? I've been recording for 13 minutes, so I finished my hair in about 13 minutes. What? It looks like I just left out from the salon. Like I just got a blowout. My hair is giving blowout every day. Like no flat irons, just thermal brush. That's it. And this is why I always say that there is no such thing as good hair. It's just good hair care products. Cause baby, like, oh, eats every single time. All right, so now I'm gonna go out and blow out my deck so I can, hopefully the sun is still shining. Get a little bit of a tan because I'm looking a little pasty after I clean up the bathroom though, of course. I ordered my food. I am going to get it. My favorite place. I love Samurai Steakhouse. It's a Japanese steakhouse. And when I tell you the soup, the seafood soup, chef's kiss. And I hope it's the spicy one today because it's just me eating it. Usually me and my boyfriend get it, and he don't be liking spices like that. He's not real ethnic like me. You know, I can handle the spices. He be over there crying. I'll be like, man the fuck up. Man up. He be acting like he alright, but I done seen a tear fall. So yeah, I'm gonna go get my food and I'm gonna come back and eat it, and I'm gonna have a great day. Night, evening, whatever. I have wanted this food for so long. Like, they're closed on Mondays. They don't open until 3. Like, oh, they're lucky they're so good because they irritate me. But I can't wait to get home to eat. This place. So I got even their salad. Ginger salad is the bomb. I love their ginger dressing. Like, what? So I forgot they give me extra soup. So I got seafood soup. It's looking red, so it might be the spicy chef tonight. Because I ordered a meal, they give you clear soup. That soup is good too. It has like little mushrooms in it. And then chicken hibachi. And you know they give you some shrimp in there, and the shrimp, they're big. So yeah, I was about to eat. Actually, I'm going to get a little of her food, and then I'm gonna eat. This is the seafood soup. We got scallops, shrimp, veggies. Like, it is so good. I'm about to find something to watch, sit on the couch with my little blankie and my little Luna, and you know, just enjoy.
Sitting in the past, you don't need to know, but you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I'm out there watching.
Walk number 2 of the day. Hopefully she does her duty because she didn't do it early.
Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then I'll sit my drunk ass on that runway, on this one way.
Dirty baby, won't you meet me by the beam? Early, maybe later, you can show me things. Windy City, she blowing me kisses, no. 30 degrees, way too cold, so hold me tight. Will I see you at the show tonight? Will I see you at the show tonight?
This is me before I walk into my appointment. I'm a little nervous. I might cry. Hopefully they let me record in here. If not, you'll see me after. This is the before.